You know what? This isn't that bad.
Why don't you try to get some sleep? All right.
I'm not even tired.
Oh, no. Oh, perfect.
Now what?
Screw it.